is I'm getting error. Light needs to be rebuilt. So this is a common error that everyone gets. Lights need to be rebuilt. Now, why you get this error? It is also simple. You will get to know about this in the future lectures, right? So in the light, mostly on the direction light it happens. So right now my direction light is set to movable. So you will get this error, and it is not error, it is a warning. Okay, it is saying that the direction light is your direction lights or any lights inside your level, it will be set to stationary or static. So if your light is set to stationary or static, that means you need to break the lights. Now, for you it might be new, but if you go in the future lectures, you will understand about the lights and everything. But I can give you a little overview. So lights have three mobility options: a static, stationary, or movable. Not only directional light, it will be point light. All of the lights will have these options. Okay. So a static light, it will be that the light will, the shadow will also not move, and the light will also not move. That means it is a static light. A stationary light, that means that the light will not move, but the shadow might move. Okay, and the movable light, that means the light will also move, and the shadow will also move. Okay, so this is the difference between these. Okay, so if you are getting that error and you want to get rid of that error, you can just select all the lights in your level and you can set it to movable, and that error will be gone. But you will understand more about lights in the future lecture. Okay, just set the direction light to movable, and any other lights that you have in the scene. Skylight set to movable. It is not a good option, but for now you can set it to movable. Okay.